Hi everybody, it's Dr. Keith Amadeo again. Today we're talking about protein. The common misconception about proteins is grams. You'll get something with 50 grams, 30 grams, 20 grams. Grams really don't matter, it's actually the grade. The less stuff in your protein mix, the better. And that's what I always tell patients. They see certain commercials on TVs for other weight loss programs promoting shakes, and those patients bring them in and we go through them and they're pretty much garbage. Or they go to Costco or Walmart and they buy one that starts with a P, I'm not going to say the name, and it's 30 grams. I've actually had patients put on weight taking those. They're full of carbs, sugar, preservatives, and guess where that ends up? Right back in your fat cells. And I'm doing a protein meal replacement and they'll be putting on weight. That stuff isn't good for them. It's full of sugar, full of additives and preservatives. That's why on my weight loss program, I work with a company exclusive to design the highest grade protein in the world. Remember, I didn't say grams, I said grade, the highest grade protein in the world. It's 20 grams, but it has less stuff in it, and that's what's important. It's lactose free, it has high fiber, gluten free, soy free, probiotic, sugar free. You get the point, the less the better. It's the highest grade granular protein in the world and can only get it through my office. Have you been hungry throughout the day? Do you skip meals because you don't have enough time to eat? We have to do something simple and reliable and healthy. A protein meal replacement shake does that. I see patients all the time. They get up in the morning, they don't eat till 12, 2 o'clock because they're so busy. They don't have time to make something. And that's what a protein meal replacement will really work. It doesn't make you feel jittery. It's going to give you energy. It's going to make you full and satisfied. And that's what my patients want. And it also tastes good, and that's important. But we're all busy. I get that. We don't have time to make meals every day or run out and go to dinner or go get lunch. You need something that's reliable, good for you, and it's going to make you feel good and actually taste good as well. That's why I'm big into my meal replacement shake, especially with my busy people out there. It's going to satisfy you. You won't have hunger pains, and it tastes good. So give it a try. What I always tell patients, this is great for somebody with diabetes, as we see here, glucose control, glucose management, PCOS, the same thing. It's very easy to take. We do 2 scoops and 8 to 12 fluid ounces of water. You do need a blender or a bullet or something like that because it is very granular. Or we can use unsweetened almond milk. I always tell patients if they're looking to lose weight, to really knock it out of the park, add some spinach or coconut oil to it. It gets that fat metabolism going. But it's just a great feeling to have a total meal replacement. And people always whine and complain about, oh, it costs so much money, how is it so expensive? Or maybe feel relatively expensive to them because it's the best in the world. And I've actually done the math because that's the way my mind works. It comes down to $6 a meal. So you can either go to McDonald's, go get Costco, get a crappy protein shake for $6 a meal. You can't get that anywhere else. And it's actually good and good for you, and it helps with digestion. Like I said, it's got probiotics, and it's gonna help you lose weight. And if you're diabetic, it'll keep the blood sugar as well, maintained. So very great for weight loss, for food management, or just on the go. That's what I see. A lot of people, business professionals, pilots, nurses, they don't have time to make a meal. This is a $6 meal right here. So if you're interested, you can always go to our store, colliervilleweightloss.com, or if you're one of my patients, or a club member, you get a huge discount. But definitely, the more and more I get agitated watching TV, watching the big weight loss programs promote these boosts, these shakes, patients bring them in, it's garbage. And so is the one that starts with a P that you can get at Walmart. It's total garbage. Don't waste your money. Come see us. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day.